QC100 model for total quality management is a technical tool developed by Business Initiative Directions for the management of communication structures between companies and their clients, suppliers, and employees, allowing managers to efficiently run their business in 10 areas, ranging from customer satisfaction to human resources to results.
The International Quality Awards presentation was an important moment for all those entrepreneurs and companies to go on stage as winners who had dedicated their efforts to achieving success and enhancing quality in their products and services. The president and founder of BID Business Initiative Directions, Jose E. Prieto, presented the BID International Quality Award to the leaders whose hard work and concentration on quality have brought success. The event was presided by the president and CEO of BID, along with outstanding personalities from the business world and international members of the Diplomatic Corps in London.
Good evening, everyone. Again, with all of you tonight to celebrate your success, to celebrate your results in your companies, and to celebrate your wonderful future for your people, for your country, and for your companies. Thank you.
From Azerbaijan, and honored here tonight with the 2012 International Quality Crown Award, this is Zaferoglu Inshaat, Design and Repair. Receiving the award here tonight in London is Mr. Zafar Mamadori, President. Honored with the International Quality Crown Award from Azerbaijan, this is Zaferoglu Inshaat, Design and Repair. President of the company, Mr. Zafar Mamadori, is here tonight receiving this international award.